Hello friends, welcome to the physical chemistry under e-learning program. Today's we can start chapter number 4 named as chemical thermodynamics. In this section, firstly we can discuss about introduction, terms used in thermodynamics, types of system, properties of system, state of system, state functions and path functions. Introduction. Can you recall? Firstly, define energy and then different forms of energy. The energy of any object is its capacity to do work. Now, the different forms of energy. There are many different forms of energy. All these forms are converted from one form to another form. We can see one by one. First, kinetic energy. It is due to the motion of an object. Potential energy. It is due to the position of an object. Heat energy, or it is also named as thermal energy. It is transferred from one object to another object due to the temperature difference between them. That means hotter body to colder body. Radiant energy, it is associated with sunlight. Electrical energy is produced in galvanic cell. Chemical energy stored in chemical substances. And we know that all these energies can be converted from one form to another form. For examples, chemical energy converted into electrical energy in dry cell, electrical energy converted into chemical energy in electroplating of metals, potential energy converted into electrical energy. For example, water from reservoir of dam falls down. Now we can start actual part of thermodynamics. Firstly, definition of thermodynamics. First, thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. It is defined as it is concerned with the energy changes in physical and chemical transformations. Okay, transformation means changes. Physical transformation means physical change. Chemical transformation means chemical changes. For example, ice converted into liquid water. This is physical transformation. While the decomposition of limestone into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, this is chemical transformation. Okay, there are few limitations of thermodynamics. They may be also called as drawbacks. Okay, first drawback is it does not give information about rate of physical and chemical process. It does not tell us about mechanism of physical and chemical process. Terms used in thermodynamics. Universe is made up of system and surrounding. That is, system plus surrounding is equal to universe. System. A part of the universe under thermodynamic study or consideration is called system. Example of systems are animal, plant or any object in the universe. Surrounding. All other parts of the universe outside the system are called surroundings. Example, cylinder, room and others. Suppose A gas is placed in a cylinder fitted with a movable piston as shown in figure. Let gas volume changes with energy release or gain when piston moves upward or downward direction. In this gas under study is a system, while outside part of the system is surrounding, and the surface between system and surrounding is boundary. Therefore, boundary is defined as the surface of separation between system and surrounding is called boundary. Now, types of systems. Observe following figure and discuss. Okay, there are three figures. Figure A is open system, figure B is closed system, and figure C is isolated system. In first figure, hot coffee placed in open cup. In second figure, hot coffee in closed cup covered with saucer. And in third figure, hot coffee in thermos flask, or it may be say as insulated flask. In first figure, that is a type of open system. In this case, both matter and energy exchange with the surrounding. In second case, that is closed system, only matter does not exchange but energy exchange with the surroundings. In third case, isolated system, both matter as well as energy does not exchange with the surroundings. Therefore, all these three types of systems can be defined as firstly open system, a system which exchanges both energy and matter with the surroundings is called open system. Closed system, a system that exchanges energy and not the matter with the surroundings is called closed system. In third type, isolated system, a system that does not exchanges energy or matter with the surroundings is called closed system. Now, properties of system. Extensive properties and intensive properties. Firstly, we can see extensive properties. Definition: a property which depends on the amount of matter present in a system is called extensive property. That is, these properties are completely depends upon amount of matter present in the system. Example: mass, volume, internal energy, heat capacity, number of moles, etc. Now, intensive properties. Definition: a property which is independent of the amount of matter in a system is called intensive property. In other words, a property that does not depends on the amount of matter in a system is called intensive property. There are many examples such as pressure, temperature, surface tension, viscosity, melting point, boiling point, specific heat, etc. All these are intensive properties. Now, state of a system. Initial state of the system is fully defined by specifying values of properties like pressure, volume, temperature, etc. such properties defining the state of the system. Example, let certain amount of gas placed in a cylinder fitted with a movable piston. Suppose pressure of gas is 1 bar, that is indicated P1 in figure. Volume is 1 cubic decimeter, that is indicated by V1, and temperature is 300 Kelvin, that is indicated by T1. This is initial state. Suppose pressure of system increased to 2 bar, indicated by P2. Volume changed to 0.5 cubic decimeter, indicated by V2, and temperature maintained at 300 Kelvin, that is K1. This is final state, and this is known as change of state. The system remains in this state as long as state functions are unchanged. How the pressure 2 bar attained no matter by increase 1 to 2 or decreases 5 to 2 bar. Now we can define state function. The property which depends on the state of a system and independent of a path followed to attain it is called state function. There are many examples of state functions: pressure, volume, temperature, enthalpy, entropy, internal energy, Gibbs energy, and so on. These are all examples of state functions. Now, path function. The property which depends on the path is called path function. Path means anyway. There are very few examples: work and heat. These are the examples of path functions.